In today's video, I want to tell you why reading the charts, the technical charts, are so important to your trading success. Let me share more information with you right now. Hi again, it's Andrew Mitchem here, the Forex Trading Coach. Welcome back to the first video and podcast for 2014. Hope you had a fantastic Christmas and New Year's break. Now that the markets are back into action, it's just a great time to get back into trading again. And I want to talk about technical trading shortly. But first of all, now we're into the new year, I also want to just talk about making sure that you have a good trading plan in place to start the new year afresh. So what I mean by that is make sure you understand, number one, obviously your strategy, but make sure you have a plan in when you're going to trade, what days of the week, what times of the day, what currency pairs, what type of setups, where your profits are, where your stops are, and so have a realistic goal in place and something that you can focus on that's going to aid your trading heading into this year. What you don't want to do is get to about mid-year and then suddenly find that you're just sort of randomly taking trades here and there without any real plan in place. So make sure you do that right from the beginning of the year. I also want to talk about technical trading. On Friday last week, we had a very bad employment data out of the US. The non-farm payrolls were really bad. But then heading into this week, and today being Friday, so a week later, on most of the pairs, what we've seen is the US actually strengthen. So it goes to show why you need to be looking at your charts. Yes, it's great to have a fundamental view in some respects, but it does become an opinion, whereas the charts tell you what is actually happening right now in the market. You see, so the non-farm payrolls were bad. The US has been relatively strong or weak. I've been calling weak Australian dollar trades on Wednesday, Thursday, and today, Friday. So a day before the employment data out of Australia, I was already calling short positions. So Wednesday, I was calling short positions. Thursday, or before the news came out, or well before the news came out, I was also calling short positions, and the Australian unemployment figures came out really badly as well. And so the Australian dollar's continued to crash at about a 300 pip drop from its peak. But having that technical knowledge a day and a half prior to the news, I was already looking for short positions on the Aussie dollar. In the end, that came through as well, and the technicals came through and the fundamentals followed it. But technicals showed well in advance of what the outcome of the Australian employment data was likely to be. We've also seen the New Zealand dollar peak at around the 84 level. So it's hit the 84 resistance level, went a touch over, but it's stalled at that level, and now currently it's been falling, and I've been calling short positions on the New Zealand against the US for the last couple of days, and right behind me here it's continuing to fall. So be really mindful there of keeping a good eye on what's happening on the charts technically. Another thing I want to mention is my new ebook that's been released. It's been released this week, and I'm releasing one chapter at a time, so one chapter per week. The book's called From Dairy Farmer to Forex Trader, and it's my story about my Forex journey, and there's some amazing information, some helpful tips and advice, things that I've learned over the years that can really help shortcut your own learning process. So it's going to save you a lot of money, a lot of heartache, a lot of tears, a lot of time in terms of cutting out some of the errors and mistakes that I went through in my early days of trading. So the aim is for you to eliminate those from your trading and shortcut the whole learning process and get you to being a really profitable trader far quicker than most self-taught traders. Other things also, don't forget to register for one of my free webinars. I've got a free lot size calculator on my site, and of course the ebook that I've just mentioned. So lots of free information there to help you with your trading. So this is Andrew Mitchem from the Forex Trading Coach. Have a great weekend and have a wonderful trading week next week. Look forward to talking to you on Friday, this time next week. Bye for now.